Indian troops and paramilitary personnel continue their cordon and search operations in different districts of the territory. The troops and paramilitary personnel continued their cordon and search operations on the 14th consecutive day today in different towns and villages of Rajouri, Poonch, Kishtwar, Doda, Reasi, Samba and Jammu districts. The troops particularly terrorized the Muslim families during house-to-house searches. People held a protest demonstration in lower Roopnagar area of the Jammu city against the unscheduled power cuts. The protesters said in this period of severe cold, widespread power cuts have disrupted the normal life. Residents of Surankot and Mandi areas of Push district staged demonstrations against a recent government order regarding anti-encroachment drive. People staged a protest against killing of a 9-year-old boy in Surankot area of Rajouri district. The boy named Afran Ahmed was injured after he was fired upon. Locals said the boy was martyred by members of Indian Army backed by the village defense guards. Anti-terrorism squad in the Nagpur city of the Indian state of Maharashtra have filed charge sheet against a Kashmiri youth in false case registered against him. Rais Ahmed Sheikh was arrested on the false charges of conducting recce of the headquarters of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh in Nagpur. Panic gripped a village in Rajouri district of Jammu region after a member of the Indian Army backed village defense guard fired some gunshots. VDG member Yashpal, who was also affiliated with the Hindutva organization, fired several rounds in the air in Androla area of the district, triggering panic among the residents. Anjuman Awqaf Jamia Masjid Srinagar has strongly condemned the continued house arrest of its chief Mirwais Umar Farooq in Srinagar. Statement issued said due to illegal house detention for the past 3.5 years, Mirwais has not been able to fulfill his religious and political obligations. Meanwhile, Aam Aadmi Party's occupied Kashmir chapter has said that Narendra Modi-led Bharatiya Janata Party is misusing government agencies for political vendetta against opposition parties. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders Sayyid Bashir Andrabi and Khwaja Firdaus have said that Kashmiris are rendering unprecedented sacrifices for securing freedom from Indian yoke and they will continue their struggle till complete success. Sayyid Bashir Andrabi and Khwaja Firdaus in a joint statement issued in Srinagar said, as the so-called Republic Day of India, the 26th January is approaching, the Indian forces personnel have intensified their atrocities on the Kashmiris, making their life more miserable.